Hello, how was it going? My name is Rudra and I am from Rudra Tech. So, in this series we will going to talk about Scratch, a basic programming language which is used to create animated stories and simplest games. So, आइए हम इस सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. So, as you are seeing here, this is called Sprite in Scratch language. This is as is shown here, Sprite. And here, as you can see, controls where it is showing about the coordinates where we have to move it or we have to show it. So यहाँ पे इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स शोन हो रहे हैं. मोशंस, लुक्स में दिखा रहा है स्विच टू कॉस्ट्यूम्स एंड से हेलो फॉर 2 seconds, से हेलो, थिंक, etc is shown here. So let's make a simple kind of stories. So as I have told you, Sprite, we can change it from here. Choose new Sprite from file as it is seen here. And we can also change the stage. This is also called stage. And we can change the stage background also, as we are creating a forest scene according to that. So I am showing you how to change your sprite. So here is new sprite. So this is, you can choose animals, ladder, people, things, transportation, things. So let's choose people. You can see this is crouching shown here. This is also be helpful for the school children who are learning. These are dances with another costumes, baby. So let's choose from animals. Let us choose a dog. Okay, let us delete this. So this is our dog sprite with a beautiful mouth. So we can also take stage background here. Go on stage, just backgrounds, import. Here we go, nature backgrounds. These are all kinds of nature backgrounds: tree, underwater, moon, hill, gravel, desert. Let's choose garden rock. You can choose its mouth according to this. Just go on sprite, edit, click on this option. This will turn here. Now move it. So for example, we have to show it is speaking something. So let's start. We have to go on scripts, go on looks, and here is shown say hello for 2 seconds. So just hold it, take it here like that, and for example you want to say anything instead of hello, so you can say namaste. Namaste India. That's also a good term. You can also change its duration in which it has been speaking, 5 seconds. Okay. So we can also give sound. In background it is speaking Namaste India. So go on sounds, then record or import. I am recording. Namaste India. Okay, go record. Namaste India. This is recording 1. Go on scripts, then here on sounds, play sound recording 1 with it. let's test. And we have to give control, because computer never identifies which things they had to be done. So let's go on control, and there are the controls shown when sprite 2 is clicked, when space is pressed. So let's go on when space is pressed. So I am pressing space, and let's see what happens. Namaste India. This is the way in which he speaks. So that's all for today's video. In next part of this series, we will learn about it more, and we will make an animated story for that. Okay, till then, bye bye.